This is the secure way to create prank virus. Looking for an awesome trick to amaze your friends with? Notepad is text editor that almost all Windows users are familiar with. It never ceases to amaze us with its hidden tricks and tips. I've explained a very simple method using which you can fake a virus attack and prank your friends with the help of pop-up messages. Excited? Well, stick with it then. In this video, I've created a fake virus using the code, and it works in all Windows platforms, be it Windows 10, 7 or whatever. Remember, you must save it as a .pvs file extension and not footnote, guys. This is not a real virus. It's just a simple message block that displays your text in a horrible way. It's completely safe to use it in our computer. However, if you're unable to create this virus or you want the same virus prank as in the video, then you can download it from here, or you can just copy and paste the same to your tab. There are many computer pranks, but here's one awesome trick to stop your friends that you have created a virus or you have virus in your computer. Yes, that's possible. I suggest a regular message box, not a real virus. So before you start, take a look at this final result. So without further ado, let's get back into the video. So what we have to do, you have to open up Notepad and navigate to the location you have saved, like using any text, and you can add as many lines of the code as you wish. So before you start it, you have to copy and paste, and as you can see on your display, you have to save it as .pvs extension. That's very important. Once you have done that, go back and source that file located to the file location, copy and paste to the desktop. And once we have done that, all we have to do is just so this is how it's gonna look. And what we're going to do next is change the icon of the folder, and for that you have to stick with me, so bear with me guys. Hold on for a few seconds. Okay, there we go. Here comes the part of changing the icon, and all you have to do right click, go to the properties. Before doing that, all you have to do is to make shortcut, otherwise it will not show you change icon option, which is otherwise going to be shown in the shortcut menu. And this is how we do it, and you have to move it to the other folder, and there we go. And all you have to do is just replace it with this PC shortcut or whatever, be it any game file or anything that you want to prank your friends with, like the most frequent games that they play on their desktop, PC, whatever. It really works. So this is it, and sometimes that you just want to have fun with your friends, that's how you exactly can do it. And if you guys liked it, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates like this one. Catch you in the next one. Peace.